Hello guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to try a little bit of a different camera angle because I'm going to be doing another sculpture. And today we are going to do Merlin, one of my all-time favorite Disney characters from The Sword and the Stone. Okay, so I have some aluminum foil, some blue clay, some flesh colored clay, some white, which keeps getting stuff in it, and some brown and black, which I don't think I'm going to be using the brown. Yes, I will. I will be using the brown. Hi guys, and here he is, all fresh out of the oven. He's got a little white dusty stuff on him from the cornstarch, but I think he's super cute, and I really love how his hair turned out. All the detail in his little glasses. They're just so cute. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you'll come back to see more. So don't forget to subscribe, and that's all we have time for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.